Hi everyone, and welcome back to this video where I will be showing you how to download an app from a phone and install it to another phone. So presently on my screen I have two mobile phones, two Android phones here with me, in which I will be showing you how to do that. So what I will be showing you is that I will be downloading an app from this phone and install that app in this phone. So, and right now when you watch this video till the end, you will surely learn how to download an app from a phone and install that same app in a different mobile phone. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do in order to achieve this is that you need an email address, a unique email address, your personal email address, to be logging in both of the phones you want. So I have an email address on this phone, and that same email address is also on this other phone, and that is the main reason how I can achieve this. So, and before we go on, I would like to show the menu of my apps and see the list of apps I have on this phone as well as this one. So what I want to do is that I want to download a OPay business app to this phone. Can you see on the app list on this phone, I don't have OPay business app on this phone. So, and it means no any app under letter O at all. So now what I'll be doing is that I'll go to the Google Play Store of this phone. Remember, I told you the first thing you need to do here is that you need to log into an email address. So once you have this email address on your phone, can you see I have this email muazuisa@gmail.com on this phone, and as well as on the other phone here I have this same email address here. Can you see this is the same email address I am using on these mobile phones. So now let me go ahead and install this OPay business app on the other phone. So remember, this phone is a Redmi phone while this is an Itel Android mobile phone. So I want to install this OPay business app on this Itel phone from this Redmi Android phone. So remember, I don't have any OPay business app on this phone, and here I want to install the app from this phone into this phone. So what I need to do is to click on the down arrow that we have here instead of me clicking on the install direct. So I'm to click on this arrow. So you will see here it brings the details, the list of phone that this particular email address is logged into. So that means all of this smartphone I have Samsung SMT225N. The email address is logging on this phone. It's also logging on this Samsung SMA500W and also on the Itel A662L that I have here presently. So all I need to do is to select this Itel. Now if I want to install this app on this phone and on this Itel, then I'll tick both of them and then click on install. But now I don't want this app on this phone. I only want this app to be installed on this Itel A662L that I have here presently. So then I'll go ahead and click on install. Can you see this app will be installed on your phone shortly? So all you need to do is to just wait for a while the app is downloading from the background, and suddenly once the app has finished downloading, it's going to start showing on this phone. So let's just wait for it shortly. Alright guys, now I have this OPay business app on this mobile phone that I've installed just now. Can you see I have just downloaded the OPay business app on this phone and I have installed it on the other Itel phone that I have here. So this is just how you can easily download different kind of app on a particular phone and install it on a different mobile phone. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful. And please, if you find this video helpful and interesting, please consider subscribing to this channel, like this video, and share this video with your loved ones who you think might also find this video helpful. Thank you very much. And just in case you are meeting me for the first time, my name is Muazu Isa, and this is my YouTube channel where I show people endless possibilities that can be performed using their mobile phones. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.